And we go back to that earlier story where the private sector and the government have joined forces to provide tablets and laptops for every child in need. This is to be done via the One Tablet or Laptop per Child project. Corporate Jamaica, the Jamaican diaspora and citizens in general are being called upon to put their money where their mouth is to help in ending the digital divide in the education sector. $4.5 billion is needed to purchase 100,000 devices for 100,000 students who are not on PATH but are in dire need of tablets and laptops for school.
This can be in either cash or in kind. Where it's in kind, we're asked that you send their specifications that we have detailed from the Ministry of Education. The tablets, we ask for Android tablets. The recommendation is to have laptops for secondary school students, and they're estimated 30,000 laptops that we're trying to get. And then for the primary school students, we're looking to get roughly 70,000 devices.
So far, the National Commercial Bank has pledged $50 million, GMMB $10 million, the Jamaica Teachers Association $1 million, and PSOJ President Keith Duncan and his wife $1 million.
Working with the NCD Foundation, Nadine Matthews-Blair, our own Greta Bowes, they have developed a connectachildjamaica.com website, a platform, a portal which will enable persons to make donations using cash or credit cards towards the purchase of laptops or tablets to students at a school of their choice across the island. At the PSOJ, we will be establishing an oversight committee to ensure that the donations and the procurement of devices are done in a transparent, seamless and equitable manner.
With the heavy emphasis on online learning, the government has distributed some 40,000 tablets to date to PATH students. Education Minister Favour Williams says laptops are being procured for PATH students who are currently in high school. According to Ms. Williams, based on the numbers, a significant percentage of students have been using the online classrooms.
And we saw in the first week where 39% of our students were engaged across the different platforms. At the end of the third week, that had gotten to about 65% and climbing.
The Education Minister says she's mindful that some non-PATH students have been left out due to financial constraints. She revealed they will get help.
Hopefully in a week or so, we will be able to announce an initiative to be able to give families $20,000 towards the purchase of a laptop or tablet. And we have assessed that we'll be able to reach some 36,000 families with that. We have vendors who have come on board who are willing to enter into agreement with parents who can't afford the difference between the 20,000 and whatever the laptop might cost, to be able to enter into payment plan arrangements.